Hello there, Gary here. So you picked yourself up an S22 Ultra. Now the last thing you want to do is drop it. Don't worry, Samsung's got you. I've got you because I've tried out 7 of the latest cases. I've tried out all of them, and at the end of the video I'll let you know what one's my favourite. So sit back, relax, the official Samsung case lineup for the S22 Ultra. which one's your favourite. For me, it's the clear case with kickstand. I just love the fact you can still see the colour of the phone, shows it off in all its glory. Plus you've got the option to have that kickstand as well. But let me know down in the comments below which one is your favourite. Have you bought any of them? Are there any that you wouldn't recommend? Or let me know some alternative cases that you might want me to try out, and I'll do another video showing those off. So anyway, thanks for watching. A like and a sub would be fantastic, much appreciated. And until next time, cheers.